back to my channel and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, I'm HelenOnFleek and I'm not your typical beauty vlogger. And for today's video, I will be sharing to you guys on how I achieve and how I maintain my ash hair. Marami sa inyo nagko-comment sa aking Instagram stories, sa aking Instagram post, sa Facebook, kung anong color daw ng hair ko. Kung napapanood niyo yung mga dati kong videos and nakikita niyo sa aking mga IG stories, ang buhok ko ay blonde. Parang dark yung aking roots and then like blonde, yellowish blonde yung aking hair sa may bandang baba. And then, Lolane invited me to get my hair transformed and makikita niyo sa next clips kung paano nga ba transform ng Lolane ang aking hair from brassy to ashy. So if you wanna see that, please keep on watching. Hello guys, so nandito na ako ngayon sa Creation by Lord Ramos. Madalas din na siya talaga nagko-color ng hair. So I'm super excited. They will transform my hair using Lolane products. So mag-start yung ating hair color process. Hello! So nag-apply na sila sa aking so bye-bye black roots na ba tayo?
Siguro, o baka naman mas dark to.
Oh, let's see. I'm excited.
Ano to eh? Surprise!
Oo nga. Current hair situation natin. Medyo darker siyang tignan, but I'm super excited when we rinse it. They're using P17 on my hair. Nakita nyo kanina, blonde-ish yung hair color ko. So, wala nang bleaching na ginawa sa hair. So, i-rinse na yung color. Mga na tayo, no? 30 minutes.
Ang dami ko lang ma-share sa'yo eh.
Siya, guys.
Ulitin mo na lang mamaya sa vlog.
Oh my gosh! Ash na siya! For sure, kapag natuyo pa siya. Di ba pag natuyo, mas light yung color. Ayan. Oh, boss, pakita ka, sir. Yan. Sana po panoorin niya.
Sana panoorin natin ang hindi madami.
Yes, ang mga videos. Nakita ko na kung gano'n siya ka-ash ngayong basa. What more pag na-style na siya and natuyo. Guys, so nilalagay na yung treatment sa hair ko. Siyempre, alam naman natin na kailangan natin ng treatment, especially ng color. Yan. So, ilang minutes siya?
We're gonna leave it for maybe 5 to 10 minutes.
Taray, beauty vlogger. 10 to 15 minutes siya naka-leave sa hair. Ito talaga yung favorite part ko eh. Yung na-reveal. Ganda siya, guys! Oh my gosh! Sobrang, yes! Feeling shampoo commercial. Sobrang ganda! Oh my gosh! Thank you so much! Super trendy kasi ng mga ash hair. Though it's super nice, it's really hard to maintain. So, I will be showing you guys some tips on how I maintain my ash hair. So, first is what Lolane used in my hair is the P17 na hair color. Hindi na binleach ulit yung hair, but they used the P17 na color to achieve this ash hair. And kung may mga natatanong sa akin kung binibleach ko ba yung hair ko, yes, kasi it was bleached before. But sa procedure ko ngayon, nag-tone na lang kami. And ang magandang ginawa nila sa hair ko, since hindi na nga nila binleach, maganda na lang binlend yung roots ko with the pagiging ash of my hair. So, mukha na siyang ash, grayish na medyo brown. I really like it kasi ang ganda ng color ng hair. Kala mo parang dark na brown, but when you see it in light, ganyan, and when you style it, hindi lang talaga kung parang mag-style ngayon. Kapag naka-style siya, nakita mo yung curls, halo siya ng brown, ng gray, ng ash. So, next is I use a purple shampoo. Lolane also has their purple shampoo and this is their anti-yellow shampoo. I-release nila itong anti-yellow shampoo nila sa Watsons and it's just 499 pesos, guys. This bottle, 250 ml. Alam natin na ang mahal ng purple shampoo and purple shampoo is very essential when you want to maintain your ash hair kasi purple shampoo yung tinatawag ko dito. Kasi kulay purple talaga siya, guys. Ganyan yung color niya every time you put it on your hair. Ayan, para kang nagpa-boto. Okay. I call it purple shampoo but they call it the anti-yellow kasi when you put this shampoo on your hair, i-neutralize ng purple shampoo yung yellowish, yung pagiging brassy or orangey ng ating hair. That's why it becomes grayish. This is the perfect pang everyday na maintenance for your hair. This shampoo, hindi siya matigas sa aking hair kasi may mga purple shampoo na parang pag nag-rinse ako, matigas siya. But this one, it doesn't make my hair, matigas. And ang bango niya sa hair, important kasi syempre, hindi siya yung traditional na shampoo. Parang perfumey yung scent niya. So, hindi kayo mapapahiya sa amoy nito sa ulo natin. Alam ko napakainit po sa Philippines, but this will save our heads from the amoy araw. Another tip to maintain your ash hair is to not shampoo every day. I know, sobrang hirap nito, especially nga napakainit. But if you really want to maintain it, sabi nga, hindi rin naman advice na mag-shampoo tayo everyday. Though it's super hard kasi nga, napakainit. Grabe yung mga anit natin nagpapawis pag gano'n, nagiging oily yung hair natin, which is very wrong. Hindi nakaka-fresh yung oily ang ating hair. So, another tip that I would give to you is to use a dry shampoo. And I have here a dry shampoo from Dove, and I like using it. Mabango siya sa hair. And it makes my hair volumized. Marami tayong options ng dry shampoo. It's just that ito yung ginagamit ko ngayon. And then, lastly, kapag talagang wala kang budget for dry shampoo, this is the last resort that I can share with you guys. And ito yung ginagawa ko nung college ako kasi wala akong budget sa dry shampoo. At nung mga panahon yun kasi, hindi pa uso yung dry shampoo dito sa Philippines. My last resort for a dry shampoo alternative is a baby powder. Sobrang laking tulong nito at talagang nag-survive ako ng college just using the baby powder kasi, di ba nga, halata na kapag hindi ka nag-shampoo ng hair ay nag-oil up yung hair. So, you just dust yung baby powder sa ulo nyo. Pero dapat talagang magaling kayo mag-shake kasi magli-leave siya ng white na streaks sa inyong hair. Unlike when you use a dry shampoo, clean siyang tignan. Ganyan. This is it for my how I maintain my ash hair. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you learned a thing or two in this video. All the products that I use in this video is in the description box below, so go check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Follow me on Instagram at HelenOnFleek, on Facebook and Twitter at HelenOnFleek. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye! Bye!